morning, good morning. Today I am in Aviemore in Scotland and we're going to be heading out into the hills because we're going to be doing a Shimano photo shoot, video shoot, and thought I would take you a little bit behind the scenes of the day and what it entails, and yeah, you'll get to see some of the other Shimano supported riders, which is always fun. And yeah, just going to be a good day. It's a little bit chilly, I've got to say. I got off the train and it was just so cold. So yeah, I'm going to be in all my warm gear. I do have shorts on though, but it'll be fine. It'll be fine. So yeah, everyone can gonna get the bikes now, and then we will see you in the hills.
More of a gravelly one. I was worried you were going to say that.
Short sleeve.
Don't ask questions you don't want to answer.
Pretend I'm useful and good at stuff.
What are you doing?
Reinflate my bag.
To make it look like you've got loads of stuff in it.
So we need to like having it for a rhyme or never know.
Forecasting's trying to make sure the bike floats.
This place is bloody lovely. So the other guys are just heading off to look at some off-road stuff. I've got my road bike, well it's my gravel bike but with road tyres, because I'm just doing, I'll explain a little bit about the shoot, but I'm just doing the road section of the shoot and the other guys are doing some gravel mountain biking. So yeah, that is what we're doing. I'm just going to go out and just scope it out. I'm coming to photo bomb here. This is Josh Ibbett. How would you introduce yourself, Josh? Tell us your stats, tell us.
6'3", 70 kilograms. Lanky as fuck.
And you won GB Juro?
Yes.
And you won Transcon?
Yeah.
Ultra.
I don't know, I just like really long bike rides.
And he's very good at it. And he's very good at it.
Weirdly so. And now we're in Scotland.
And now we're in
And
Scotland.
I'm not sure this is a lovely day, but it looks like it's going to rain all day to me. But
And he's from the south, if you can't tell.
Exactly.
That's why he's like, it's bloody freezing.
that's why I'm whinging about it. I'm English and from the south, so I'm going to complain about the weather all day.
Just pedal it, you're a rider.
Yeah, but look, am I need meant to be that low?
Put the saddle up.
Put the saddle up, it's got a dropper post. On your left thumb, push that button and the saddle will come up. If you stand up, it will go a lot higher.
Really?
Here's your wet wipe.
Oh, my legs.
Did you get on? Oh, come on. I know. Katie wants wet wipes, she
He
doesn't
said
like
a
muddy
towel,
legs.
just to dry my legs
I
off.
was like, hang on a minute, we're not muddy.
I'm a soft roadie, alright, I'm a soft roadie. So do you know, Chris, just tell us what you do, Chris, people.
I rode from my flat in London to Land's End to John O'Groats, then to I can't say it, I think it's Lowescroft or Lowescroft, I don't actually know how to pronounce it.
Yeah.
It's the most eastern point of the UK, and then back into London during the Tour de France. It was I did 107 miles every day. I did it for a children's charity that I do a lot of work with that look after 107 kids, and it was really f***ing hard. And this part was pretty much the same weather as it is right now.
Where are you going?
It's up for the day.
You got enough?
It's raining. Don't like riding in the rain now.
So basically what's happening at the shoot is we're all doing like a different section. So I'm doing the road section, Chris is doing the gravel section, Josh is doing like the bike packing stuff, and then some of the other guys are doing mountain bike. So now Chris is doing the gravel sections.
How's that feel on the nipples?
Man up.
Says the big burly Scottish man to the southerner.
Loch Ness lives further north than this.
Really?
Yeah, she likes warm water.
Oh, does she? Would she not like make it across here?
Maybe for holidays and vacations.
Hello. So I've just done my road stint with Mark, and God, he's got some power. You'll be able to see it on my Strava, but it's really good fun, just like riding through beautiful, I don't know, beautiful lanes of Scotland. We're having a bit of dinner now, and then it's going to kind of go off-road, so I'm going to just be keeping warm, eating, drinking, maybe getting some more footage. But yeah, this is the behind the scenes, and I guess this is what you don't see. Like, we've been sat around, like obviously it takes so long for the guys to get the cameras rigged up and getting the right shot and waiting for it to stop raining. And I mean, to be fair, we have been out in the rain, but yeah. Now everyone's just eating pom bears, although they are one of my favourite crisps.
Jerry's loving the pom bears. Yep, loving them.
It's like all these grown men with children's crisps. Good picks.
Oh, bang on.
It's not a stereotype. They're hanging out high and brew everywhere. Oh, has everyone got? I just thought it was a stereotype, and everyone's got an iron brew. Is it better, or has it got worse now? Now they've changed
I haven't
it.
had it in years, so I don't know.
You've had it in years.
Are you really Scottish?
Are you? Yeah, come on. So we're now in a different location, and the guys are just doing a little bit of mountain biking.
Quite heavy rain.
Oh man, look at this! You made it work.
Abort, we have to go home.
We gotta go home. I put my foot in the water, it is wet.
Sorry, we are from very different worlds.
See, you get your foot in it yet, have I? Yeah.
Oh, go on, let's lay down now.
Oh!
Don't let the guy from London out cold you.
Do you remember? Keep it decent.
It's refreshing. It's not as bad as you think it's going to be.
Now heading up. We're at a different location. A little snack. And then now we're heading up to do Josh's section, which is the real off-road stuff. Alright, so we are pretty much done filming, and I've got to tell you, I am so excited. So I borrowed one of the guys' mountain bikes just because it was really rocky on the way down, and I was terrified going up because I was just like, this is too much for me, I don't think I can do it. And then Chris, who was from H&I Adventures, who run mountain biking trips, gave me a little bit of a lesson while the others were filming. He's like teaching me how to do it, and oh my god, I did it. I went down, I stopped so many times, and I was like, I want to do it, I want to do it. So then I started again, and I'm just made up. I'm so made up, honestly, because I was so, I really want a mountain bike. Maybe I'm going to get a mountain bike, because that was so much fun. So yeah. So now I think we're going to be finishing, packing up, and then heading back to the cabins and stuff where we're all staying, and probably getting some food, and then we are shooting again tomorrow. So maybe I will film later, or maybe I'll just catch up with you tomorrow, because it's not going to be anything more to film tonight. So maybe see you in the morning. Look at that! It's like the Hulk. Come on, Josh, line it up.
Is that
They told me to wear lycra and baggies.
Look at that.
doesn't really compare. Should we just put your scarf up? More even, isn't it?
Wow.